Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine and taking all precautions. You might have a number of questions in your mind. You all must be curious to know when the college will reopen, how the lectures will be conducted, so and so. In today's session, I will try to clear all your doubts. First one, whether college will reopen or not. If yes, when? If no, how the teaching learning will take place. Taking into consideration COVID-19 pandemic situation, there is a less possibility of reopening of college in coming days. For that, we are going to have teaching learning through different online platforms at least for a few months. In today's session, I am going to deal with English Special Paper 3, that is S3 paper. The name of the paper is Understanding Fiction. First, I would like to introduce you to the S3 syllabus prescribed by the Savitribai Phule, Pune University. For the first semester, we have to study Theory of Fiction and one novel, Animal Farm by George Orwell. For the second semester, we have to study two novels. One is The Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway, and the second is The Guide by the famous Indian novelist R.K. Narayan. Now, I would like to discuss the objectives of this paper. The first objective of this paper is to introduce you to the basics of novel as a literary form. The second one is to expose you to the historical development and nature of novel. Third one is to familiarize you to different types and aspects of novel. Fourth one is to develop literary sensibility and sense of cultural diversity in you. Fifth one is to expose you to the niceties of novels. In the theory part, we are going to study what is novel, a brief history of novel as a literary form. We will also study elements of novel. In elements of novel, we are going to focus on theme, characters, plot structure, narrative techniques, conflict, setting, and atmosphere. We are also going to study different types of novels. For example, picaresque novel, psychological, historical, regional, etc. In addition to this, we are also going to study other literary terms related to fiction. This is the cover page of the novel Animal Farm by George Orwell, which we are going to study for the first semester. Now, I would like to clear few things to you. What will be your role? Your role being a student of English literature matters a lot. Even though we are going to have teaching learning through different online platforms, we are going to have continuous interaction through Google Classroom. Through Google Classroom platform, we will have number of activities like quiz, assignments, etc. Your attendance and active participation is important. Now, what will be my role? I will be a mediator between you and online teaching learning process. I will be always there to solve your problems, doubts regarding text. I will be a facilitator. I will be your friend. Last but not the least, I would like to suggest you few things. The first important thing is that be positive, don't blame and criticize COVID-19 pandemic situation. Look at it as an opportunity to learn through different online platforms. Encash this opportunity and make most of it. In the next session, we are going to deal with theory of a novel. Now it's your turn to speak, ask and study. Thank you.